What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a personal brand and MVP. So, boom. You want to create videos that's already market demand. You want to promote yourself. You want to build business credit. And you want to create a YouTube channel because it can help you promote yourself. And once you get organic, you get paid traction for your product. Your product and your channel goes together. So, boom. You want to create a YouTube channel, upload like 500 to 1,000 video. I made a video on how to get a job. You gotta get one of those while you're doing that. So boom, you create an MVP. Basically, it's your own product. Like you transforming the results for them in a product, right? You create the table of contents, you create what it's about, put it there, you start there. You get a software developer and a domain to put it there for you. Now you don't gotta pay them. And there you go. Now you're promoting your MVP. You got a YouTube channel, you got business credit, you're getting traction. There you go, you're getting more traction because business credit is promoting it more. Like, this right here can help you understand. Like, Google Ads, info marketing businesses, you're transforming your audience results through info marketing businesses. They gave you market demand interest on, like, or you creating, and then you creating highly targeted traffic, new customer clients, tracking and optimizing with business credit to promote your shit, and this hyper systemization, predictable, making things predictable, systemized. There you go. Boom. So you created a YouTube channel, you got business credit, you got your own product, and you're promoting both of them. So as your channel's growing and sales, you got the business credit promoting it even more, and juicing it, your channel and your product. It's making more sales. Boom. You're gonna be using AdWords, link to YouTube. For this one, you're gonna be using Meta. And then for this one, also you're gonna be using Google. You're gonna be using TikTok marketing too. They more pennies on the dollar right now because it's a new platform. Not a lot of people competing for constant impressions, for promoting your offer, like your offer, like your YouTube channel and your offer and everything. Promoting it through all those with business credit. After you already created market demand, like, so you already selling your product for bands, like people selling for like 20 bands. The more greater your product is, and the more greater the transformation it makes for your audience, the better, more bands you can charge. So you're gonna start it. You're gonna get your software developer there to put. He's gonna put the whole app on your domain. You're not paying no third party no more. And then you have some team member like update your stuff for you, and then boom, now you got like your own app, your own product. That's fire. Boom. And then you promoting it. Like on your YouTube channel, you're creating a market demand. Whatever the market already demanded, you creating in it. So you creating more market demand, and then you say, all right, boom. But this is better. What I'm telling y'all right now is get my product. You want to learn more? Like, get my product. Yo, sign up for my email and get my product if you want to learn more. And boom. So you doing? Create like 500 to 1,000 videos. You get business credit. get Amex, FMBO, credit unions, American Express. You grew it from the net 30s to there. Within 6 months. You're gonna get like 200K. Alley financing, Torpago, Sam's Club, the PayArt POS system. You go into a bank to get a merchant advisor, order you a POS system, create more LLCs, get more POS systems with business credit, create more LLCs, get more POS business credit, do business with do business with businesses, boom, do business, boom, with the business credit card, boom, you get the merchant account, boom, go to the bank account, boom, withdraw from the merchant, the business account, boom, it's going, they already used to handle heavy amounts, boom, now you can promote your stuff on YouTube and Google Ads and juice up even more than what the organic did. Inside the funnel is a VSL, and then there's a booking page like Schedule One, Scaling, whatever. It's gonna make it so you can get in the sales call to try to pitch on for like 20 bands, and the most you could hit for. Since they already applied, you can see how qualified they are because inside the booking page, like you can make it so they put the application type form and it confirms. Boom. So once they book, like they already know you, they follow you, like you can charge them like 20K, you can tell them sell all their family's houses and consistently just pitch them, boom boom, they already like loyal followers. You could hit for like 20K each sale, for real, like just pitching them like your product through the whole funnel. And that's how you bet on yourself. Like there's kids running up like 11 millions on funnels, like click funnels, like right, like this shit been happening for a minute. That's what I'm talking about. Like this what I'm saying. Like create you bet on yourself. Like create a create something like fire. Like transform your audience results. Like yeah, but I hope y'all can create the greatest product and pitch it for like 20K all the time through your funnels. And yeah, you're gonna be Gucci because you're betting on yourself, so you're getting the highest returns. And it's the government's credit anyway. So boom, it's juicing you up. It's giving you free like swings, like feel me, like right where you want it. So it's like boom, it's the government's credit, and you're gonna keep swinging with that shit. Like it's gonna fill up your funnels and then be lit. You're gonna use all like three. You're gonna use Meta, business partner, Google partner, TikTok marketing partner. The government credit gonna juice up your funnels. You try to boom, pitch all of them all the time, like 20K. They already follow you. They already see you. They got multiple touches and retargeting from you. Like they're like, oh shit, I already follow him now. I'm following him. Alright, let me see what he got. And then you see that they put the application, they qualify, they trust you. It's like, alright, boom, you want to get there. What happens if you stay where you at and you don't get there? Alright, so you know you got to make the change, right? Alright, so when you gonna make the change, right? Alright, boom, come on, make the change. Let's go. And you pitch it for like 20K. Like, you're gonna have a whole bunch of government credit giving you a whole bunch of funnels, bro. And then you gotta bet on yourself, bro. Yeah. But make sure your product is great, is actually transforming your audience results, and you're gonna be good. Hope y'all found it useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.